Okay, good morning groups 1 and 2. Today our what is to understand that multiplication can be completed in any order. Now to start with, we are going to think about addition first, which you might think, why is Miss Murphy asking me to think about addition when she's just said in our what that the lesson's about multiplication? Well, multiplication is repeated addition, so that is our link. Now, if you haven't already, I would like you to get a piece of paper and a pencil ready for this session. So if you haven't already, pause the video now to go and get one. If not, let's carry on. Okay, when we add two numbers or amounts together, it doesn't matter what order we add them in together, we will get the same answer. So for example, you can see that there are 1, 2, 3 bugs, add 1, 2 bugs. So 3 add 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 add 2 equals 5. And it gives the same answer as 2 add 3 equals 5. So if you swap those numbers around, the 2 and a 3, you still get the same answer. Just like this. 3 add 2 equals 5 gives the same answer as 2 add 3 equals 5. Okay, can you write the new number sentences for these additions in the other order? So 10 add 4 equals 14. I need you to swap the two numbers 10 and 4. Do you still get the same answer? Do you still get 14? Pause the video now and write that down for me. Okay, super. 23 add 9 equals 32. If you swap those numbers around, do you still get 32? Pause the video now and complete that for me. Brilliant. What about this one? This time you're going to have to work out the answer yourself. So 13 add 20, what does that equal? And then if you swap the numbers around, do you still get the same answer? And the same for this. 14 add 15, what do those two numbers equal? If you swap those numbers around, do you still get the same answer? Pause the video. Super. Multiplication is like addition because you can multiply two numbers in any order and get the same answer. If you can swap the numbers and get the same final answer, we call it commutative. How it works. Here is one group of two tins, or 1 times 2. 1 times 2 equals 2. Here are two groups of two tins. Can you write this as a multiplication number sentence? So pause the video now. How would you write that? Okay, so it would be 2 times 2 equals 2. Well done. So here we've got 3 groups of 2 tins. Can you write this as a multiplication number sentence? Okay, so that would say 2 times 3 equals 6. So if we swapped it around here, we've got 2 groups of 3. So there are still 6 tins, but they are grouped differently. Can you write this as a multiplication number sentence? So on the other one, you had 2 times 3, but on this one, what would you have this time? Okay, so you're right. 3 lots of 2 is the same amount as 2 lots of 3. They both have 6. So if we're thinking about arrays, you've got 2 lots of 3. So there's your one lot of 3. And here's your other lot of 3. And all together, they make 6. Whereas here, we've got 3 lots of 2. So there's one lot of 2, 2 lots of 2, and 3 lots of 2. They both equal 6. Okay, now I want you to have a go at the activity that's in your pack. Off you go.